Stay, I'm leaving. Far too cold, I'm just frigid freezing. Fuck these girls for no fucking reason. Fuck the world, I don't need no reason. C-class Benz on the highway speeding, eyes bleeding. I'ma see just leaning. I'ma got gal in the back saying no, said I'm doing, I'm squeezing. They see cool, said I'm doing, I'm sneezing. No, said them bulls, said I'm doing, I'm teasing. More for drink, but I don't do leaning. That shit give me an awful feeling. Rather be smoking weed and wheezing. Just food and sex and sleeping. I'm in the one beer, bad news, but your girlfriend cheating. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400, quick believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and come. So first to the face, I hear the voice, now you don't know, say a Coach NC. Pon the Coach NC Reacts channel. And today, we have Mad Max. Wait, who's that? You understand? And obviously, I'm late to the party, so I couldn't get the official upload. And, you know what I'm saying, I gotta get this uncensored version, but that's better for me, bro, because I hate censorship. I fucking hate that shit. You understand me? So big up A2 Official with 51 subs for uploading this, bro. But I say, yo, big up yourself. Yes, big up yourself. You understand? Big him up. Big up A2 Official. But yo, click my links in the description. Gaming channel, music channel, Instagram. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And let's jump into this shit, man. Big up the whole of 156 N gang. You understand? One Touch Records. The Bimmer. All the police carry a Bimmer to warm to them. Red bandana, rise that flag up.
I love Chris Rich.
Who's that? What's that?
Aye. NB, Neo. Ooh. Big up Zach Grav.
Who's that? What's that? I see bro pull out the long nose from the rucksack. Double tap that dots when we come back. Come like a marathon run when they run back. Who's that? What's that? I see bro pull out the long nose from the rucksack. Double tap that dots when we come back. Come like a marathon run when they run back. It wasn't done by me, it was done by the guys. These waps are live. Look at the whole 5 locked inside and fresh out the can, so I gotta move live. On the wing, yeah, I did despise. Craze got crashed, now I face for his life. If it's not me and abs on the ride, then why or M's getting round them sides? Take that for my RCGs. Enough man got done on the mains, can't state no names, but the old man's G's. I ride consistently. Anything lay, no stones, I'm shelling it. On the 2 wheels, heading to the up block, but the ding dong turned off and still wetting it. Take trips, no 140. We slide round any estate, see us on the main, trying to take your soul. Rose got bun in the day, same thing goes for chocolate. Oh, I dig that in my Nike forces. That drill that we done was cold. Pass bro with the Mindy, do the 2-step, then I'm out on the go.
Nah, bro. When the man them mix a up name with gelato, cause I heard CSG do it with Shegs. CSG says Shegalao, and then what him just say? Him just say Shakalao. Jesus Christ, dog. Ow, my beard. That bother me, but dog, I don't. Fam, hearing niggas in packs, bro. I don't know, bro. Depending on the day, when I hear that a nigga got put in a pack, I feel different, bro. You know what I'm saying? Some days it's like, ha! And then some days it's like, oh, shit. That nigga got put in a pack, bro. But anyway, bro, let's go back to the song.
Anything lay, no stones, I'm shelling it. On the 2 wheels, heading to the up block, but the ding dong turned off and still wetting it. Take trips, no 140. We slide round any estate, see us on the main, trying to take your soul. Rose got bun in the day, same thing goes for chocolate. Oh, I dig that in my Nike forces. That drill that we done was cold.
I dig that in my Nike Air Forces, yeah.
Thing goes for chocolate. Oh, I dig that in my Nike forces. That drill that we done was cold. Pass bro with the Mindy, do the 2-step, then I'm out on the go. How many man's been splashed and shot? But I'm still a bad man on my block. The ops them know how we rock, I'm still in the field in slippers and socks. J Millie try come to the block.
Slippers and socks, oh, up to them, yo. Slippers and socks. Where we are rock. Slippers and socks. Sorry, bro, I just love slippers and socks.
Block. The ops them know how we rock, I'm still in the field in slippers and socks. J Millie try come to the block with the dots and didn't want to bust off a shot. Look at me down no block when there's segregation, could I know I just bust up a up. Who's that? What's that? I see bro pull out the long nose from the rucksack. Double tap that dots when we come back, come like a marathon run when they run back. Who's that? What's that? I see bro pull out the long nose from the rucksack. Double tap that dots when we come back, come like a marathon run when they run back. Me and broski stepped to 2-man cause. I'm trying to smoke on them like Benson. I told bro fill up the mash some more. I'm on the back of the ride, of course. 20 plus man's already been sourced. They talk on gang cause their man some whores.
20 plus man has been sauced. First of all, How do you know that, bro? Do you know all the 20 niggas that got sauce, bro? Or were you there when the 20 niggas was getting sauce? Or were you the nigga that sauce all 20 niggas? Fam, all I'm saying is, bro, you have to, like, these niggas actually keep, like, a scorebook, bro. Like, they have notes in their phones. Must. Because there's no way I'm going to be remembering all of these niggas, all of these apps that get touched. Like, I have to forget, bro. But I guess Mad Max don't forget, bro, because he lives to get down the apps, bro. You understand? So all if 50 apps get stabbed, him a gonna know all 50 of them. Hey, man, do you think?
I'm on the back of the ride, of course. 20 plus man's already been sourced. They talk on gang, cause their man some horse. How many man's been riding, non-stop gliding? You should check the scores. Old school days go halves and the fours. The ruin sense, put all into scores. Done with that prof, up and some more. By the end of the night is an up-block tour. Dingers, bites, flicky swords. The whole gang's gonna dip down your brethren. We ain't got time for any lost cause. Yo, two in his back, now he's feeling sore. Bro, they got put in the air, no BO2, so we can't respond. It was us back then, hoping out 4 doors. It was us back then, doing it for the cause. Non-stop.
He just said no BO2.
So we can't respond. He lost cause. Yo, two in his back, now he's feeling sore. Bro, they got put in the air, no BO2, so we can't respond. It was us back then, hoping out 4 doors. It was us back then, doing it for the cause. Non-stop riding, go check the scores. I never left, bro, so I got myself bored. The script got flipped and we left them sources. Power dash.
Man said I never left, bro, so I got myself bored. Oh, wow.
Riding, go check the scores. I never left, bro, so I got myself bored. The script got flipped.
Oh, wow. But I like that still. I like that him put that in the song though, because other niggas don't admit to getting touched. You understand? Other niggas make it seem like they didn't. They never got touched. You know what I'm saying? But he's like, the only reason why I got touched is because I never left my bro. And he's like, oh wow. I rate that still.
Doing it for the cause. Non-stop riding, go check the scores. I never left, bro, so I got myself bored. The script got flipped and we left them sources. Power dash dots when we left them for more. If we don't bullshit, we will rolls, of course. Have a way, store blunts and L's, of course. And it's in the way, bro, held it and raw. If you throw L's, then we get shelled on your toes. Step on your turf, then we're done.
And I just went like, so let me put on my hands. Man,
down for the cause. 2 man up the store, blue light horse. Had to put Rose in that back shot road just to make sure that little man is pure. Who's that? What's that? I see bro pull out the long nose from the rucksack. Never tap that dots when we come back. Come like a marathon run when they run back. Who's that? What's that? I see bro pull out the long nose from the rucksack. Never tap that dots when we come back. Come like a marathon run when they run back.
Run, run, run. Run when you see this gun. Run so you don't get banned. Run so I don't have fun. Run, run, run when you see this gun. Sorry. I don't know, bro. I got way too much energy today. So big up Mad Max 156 with Who's That. Big up Zach Grav and HellyH_drone. You understand? So you had to rent a drone? That's crazy, dog. The nigga got his own drone page. Anyway, dog. Big up all people involved. Big up you if you made it this far. I mean, I like this still. It was a decent song. I'll give it either 7 or 8. Yeah, a nice hook. Yo, who's that? What's that? I see bro pull out the long nose for the rucksack. And yeah, that's that. So I like this. So big up Mad Max 156 with Who's That? Uncensored as well. And he was smoking on. I'm not even going to talk about who he was smoking on, bro. I'm not going to say it, bro. I don't know. But big up you if you made it this far in the video. Tell me what you like, what you never like, what you want to see, what you don't want. Say, just tell me anything, bro. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Click my links in the description. Gaming channel, music channel, Instagram. Cogency and the Cogency Reacts channel. About this motherfucker, right? Yes. Yeah. Can't wait the girl. Them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. On the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the tool and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pink pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round 2, round 3, yeah, girl.